Hey guys, check out this hair from Mayde Beauty Braid. It's actually crochet. One pack is $1.99, and then I have 2 packs, and that's the color OM3T 430 and all that stuff. Get that? I used 2 packs, and this hair took me 4 hours to braid. 4 hours to put into crochet. Style it like that. Like that. Style it however you want. Shake and go. Perfect definition. It's perfect for work as a nurse. Okay, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this hair. Okay, it's time to get started. As soon as I wash it, of course, it's going to shrink. Let's get ready. Natural fussy hair. I trimmed it, that's why it's like, I stretched it and then I cut. Probably did a terrible job. Okay, let's go wash the hair. How old? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep, still 4 years old. Since I went bald. Go ahead, bald. I want to do length check, but then I don't care so much. I don't exactly care. It's like, okay, I want to make sure I did an okay job with the cutting or with the trimming. Okay, just watch and see how it's gonna get shrunk. My hair, my crown, because I'm the African queen. Okay, enough of the shenanigans. As usual, you wash the hair and it shrinks. Whereas in real life, it's like that after I trimmed it. Oh, it looks like I did a better job trimming it. Okay, hang tight. I don't want long videos. Subscribe if you haven't at this point. I may be putting this on. I got it from my daughter, but it looks like I'll end up putting it. This is, what is this? The Mayde or the Mayde Beauty Braid. I have 2 packs, so I'll see which one fits better. My plan is just to do something rough, something quick, because I have a flight in the next 4 hours. Alright, stay tuned. You know how it goes. So far so good, this is what I have. So this time I decided to use, since my edges are a little grown, I decided to use a little bit of extension to start out the braiding. So that's what we have at the back. Of course I joined them. Alright, stay tuned. Remember, the lines doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered anyway. Some edge control. I don't know how to perfectly use hair extensions to start a braid. Just some olive oil head growth. Something. Oil the scalp to keep my scalp from itching. Look, it took me 10 whole minutes to braid just these two hair, and that is with easy parting and all that stuff. So imagine all this hair together took me 2 hours to braid. Natural hair, especially when you're trying to part it and it's tangled and all that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Now let's hook this one up. One pack is $9.99, so we'll see if 2 pack is enough. I don't want it too full like this, so we'll see how that goes. So as usual, I will start from the edges, and then this is where I want to part it. So do that part here, these two, and then the back, and then I'll start filling in between. Since this is regular curly hair, I'm double tying it, double knotting it. Alright, I'll come back when I'm done with 1 pack, or at least half of 1 pack. Stay tuned. So I've done with half. Not half. Yeah, half of 1 pack. So that's all we have so far, so good. You get it? Okay, you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and check out my other videos, both crochet and hair installations. I'm new at that, but this 1 year I'll be making crochet on myself. All right, so 1 pack is finished. This is what I have so far. Look at that. I also didn't cover here yet, and I didn't cover here, so I don't even know if even 2 packs will be enough. But for now, my goal is to cover all here and then put it scanty around. That way it's not too full. Because look at this. Continue to stay tuned. So I have the last piece. I'll just put it over here. It's a very tiny one. Let's separate it into 2. So with this in the front, what I did is I opened it and only took 1. Tighten it. Okay, so we have that. We have this. And we have this. I'm going to apply some edge control. This one from Argo. Check out the review for this edge control. Apply some mousse. Because it's not foaming, I'm just gonna put it like that. See, it doesn't foam. can also go like this. Of course, with the edge control, you can go like this. You can style it like this, you know. Like that, and all that. So this is the back. That's what I have at the back. So I'm hardly gonna put it up, and if I do, I don't know what I'm doing. If I do decide to put it up in a little ponytail or whatnot, can also style it. Shake and go. I like the color. That's my thing though. I like the color. But it's already started tangling even before I got started. Started to tangle already. Okay guys. You know how we do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ask your questions. Also, please click that notification bell and I'll see you in my next video. Appreciate you guys. I like it. $20 hair. 2 packs of this. $20 hair. See that? Over and out.